Hello, now we will show you our number 009 common rail injector mold tools. Firstly, we have a view of the full set tools. It can be used for many common rail injectors and also the fuel injectors. The fuel injectors, Cummins injectors, Durfee, Bosch, Denso, Bosch injectors. Now we will show you how to use it. The first injector, fuel injector, we will show you. Choose the correct adapter. The Cummins injector. Use a puller to take the injector from the engine. The Bosch injector. This one you have to use this connector. When you take this injector, it might be very tight in the engine. You have to move it like this. And choose the 12 connector. We use that puller to take off that injector from the engine. For the Bosch 110, you also can use this special puller to move the injector. This vacuum puller to move the injector. Now you check we connect the puller with the injector, and then you can move it from the engine. Depending on the different injector, you choose a different puller and different connectors.